wires from the thermostat. Let me open here and see. Okay, let's see. So, a case like this, a straight core, you have the Y. So let's bypass the thermostat and see how this thing runs now. So here I have the red and the white. The red and the white. This is the white. The white is, oh my god, this is the white, but goes to green. Okay, let me remove this. So let's try this. We take this out, which was the white. This is the white. We take this out. So what we need to do is to run this to bypass this together. Then see how your wire functions. See how it's gonna work. Let me kick it up. See? The inducer is running now. The inducer must kind of wrong wiring or miscommunication between the unit and the thermostat. So let me see how it's gonna work here. Okay, the igniter has lighted up, and let's see how it's gonna fire. Good. So in this case, I will conclude that because I've bypassed the thermostat, right? The common and the Y. Good. The common and the Y. So it has fired. So this is the issue here. The customer said somebody came out yesterday